In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Skyscanner step by step so you can start using travel app access inside ChatGPT more efficiently. This is a super useful setup if you want to search flights, compare travel options, and make your trip planning faster without jumping between multiple tabs. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the bottom left corner where your profile icon is. Click on your profile, then select Settings from the menu. This is where ChatGPT keeps all of the app and connector options. Inside Settings, find the Apps section and click on it. This is the area where you can connect external apps and services to ChatGPT. After that, click on Add More. This will open the app directory where you can search for supported apps. Now in the search bar, type Skyscanner. Give it a moment to load the results. Then click on Skyscanner when it appears. This takes you to the app page for the integration. On that page, click Connect. You may see a permission screen, so review it carefully and then click Connect again to confirm. Once the connection is approved, go back to ChatGPT and start a new chat. This helps make sure the app is available in a fresh conversation. Now click the plus icon, then choose More if needed, and look for Skyscanner in the list of available tools or connectors. When you click Skyscanner, ChatGPT should now be able to use the integration inside your conversation. At this point, you can begin asking travel-related questions and use the connector to help with flight planning and search tasks. If you don't see it right away, double-check that the app was connected correctly in settings, and make sure you're signed into the same ChatGPT account where you completed the connection. Sometimes refreshing the page or starting a brand new chat is enough to make it appear, and that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to Skyscanner. Now you're ready to make travel planning easier and faster with ChatGPT working alongside Skyscanner. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.